Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new remix project and importing your source files. Make sure your GPU drivers are updated and the files are local for best performance. Once imported, set project resolution and frame rate to match the source because remix relies on consistent metadata for remastering. You should enable automatic backups and name your first version clearly so you can revert. Now that the base is set, you're ready to select style models and AI presets. Do that next to direct the remix. You now pick the specific remix models and tune their parameters. Start with a moderate strength so you can observe changes without overprocessing. Once done, preview short segments and use split points to apply different styles to distinct scenes because selective application prevents artifacts. Make sure to enable temporal coherence for motion-heavy footage and lock audio if you don't want harmonization. After adjusting, run a medium-quality preview render to evaluate the look before committing to a full export. You finish by rendering a high-quality master first, then export a compressed delivery copy. Select hardware acceleration and a bitrate that balances quality and file size. Once the master is complete, review on multiple displays and check audio sync. If everything looks good, archive the project files and presets. If you encounter banding or hallucinated details, lower the model strength and increase temporal smoothing for the problematic segment. Then re-render only that range to save time and preserve the rest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.